finally arrived to the small town of San Sebastián, and we're visiting a waterfall. Well, it's a couple of waterfalls. It's called Gozalandia, and honestly, I've been dreaming about coming to this place for a little while now. It's fucking beautiful. Have here like a little restaurant that they have here. I already ate, thank God. But yeah, so nice. Let's see, what do we got here? Boom. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that view. The little bar. Trust me, a few years ago it wasn't like this. Things change. Let's see. Gonna go to the waterfalls. I think I haven't been here in like, I would say a couple of years now. So it's been getting a little bit better. Look, that's cool. All right, let's see what do we got. So here we go. Heading down to the waterfalls. Let's see. Trail all the way to the water park or the waterfalls. Boom.
The other one's over there.
Look at what we got here. And I have to take these steps all the way down. You see them? People coming up. Yup. Two waterfalls. I decided to go to the second one. I think it's the least famous, I guess, but I believe it's the least crowded, so that's what I'm looking for. You can already see the river. I don't think I've ever gone to the first, so I'm gonna do the first. Sounds pretty cool to me. Look at that. I'm already sweating. Down here, I guess there's another view in here. Let's see. All right. Oh, there we go. Look. Here we go. Oh my God. Trip is gonna be when I come up, you know? Jesus fucking. Oh my Lord. Sorry. Look at that. Gold. Continue down. I hope I don't slip. Peinado con cojones esto. Look at that view though. Solo te pedimos que no ensucie. No lo ensucie. That means please don't trash the place. Should be logical, but people don't fucking understand sometimes, you know? This place. There's a ton of people out there. Oh my God. We're going completely down. Let's see.
I'm already up here.
All right.
With my hand.
And it leads to the waterfall itself. So that's pretty dope. So let's see. Okay. Okay then. Look at that. This is beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. Gracias. All right, back to the fucking stairs again. Totally worth it, by the way. Now we're gonna go to the second waterfall, and then after that I gotta go because my friend's getting married. Yeah, it's another friend. Fuck! Look at that. Are you watching this? I'm just gonna say this. If you come down here, make sure your cardio is right. Make fucking sure. Alright, so this is another trail for the second waterfall. And it's quiet. So I gotta hurry up. One connects to the big one. I was at this one at the bottom. Remember the first video? So this actually, this whole thing connects. Look at that. See? Boom. Beautiful. Look at that. I just reminded myself I need to get like a GoPro or something. I swear to God, because I'm gonna keep doing this, but iPhone is just not enough. Look at this beautiful thing. Look at this. Fucking paradise, bro. Look at this. Are you watching this? So on to the next. So little trail. Small little trail actually. Ooh. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Wow. Oh, look at that. Small little waterfall out there. Alright. Beautiful. Look at that. While you're walking, you're seeing this beautiful thing. Look at that. I guess we're going to keep walking. God dang. God dang. I couldn't record because there's a lot of people out here and it's just a small ass trail. So that's why I keep cutting it up, you know. I don't want people to get bothered and shit. Oh God, what you do? I'm just gonna keep going this way, but I would like to know. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. All right. I'm gonna need water shoes for sure. I'm gonna need water shoes for sure. Ooh, ooh, I can see some. Can see some water. Can you see it? Right there. Mini waterfall. All right, let's see. We're almost there, people. We're almost there. We're gonna get there. I promise you, we're gonna get there. Ooh. Wow. Nope. Oh boy. Another math one. Look at it. Actually made it. Second waterfall. Fucking beautiful. Look at that. It's a smaller one. More secluded, but it's nice. Oh yeah. Technical issue now. Fuck. Fucked up my flip flop. Damn it. Fuck it, I go barefoot. Gives a shit. Do not litter though. Do not fucking litter. Not here, not anywhere. Especially not here, bro. Yeah, so I gotta go quick. I gotta go fucking quick. Gotta get ready. Today's my friend's bachelor party. I know I shouldn't be here, but I just wanted to get out, explore. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. All right, it's like an hour from where I'm staying at, so. All right, and that's the trail. I'm not gonna go today, but maybe next time, whenever the fuck I'm here. Okay, maybe I'm going too fast. I should just like fucking slow down a bit. All right, but yeah, nice. Look, we're gonna talk a little bit about this place. So it's only $10. I got charged $10 for the parking spot, but not for entering. Last time I was here, I think they charged me like 20 bucks. So I guess it went down a little bit, which is not bad. Now, if you have kids, small kids, like you need strollers for them, do not come here because you're not gonna have fun. Like doing these trails right now, it's hard for me as it is. I can't imagine you with kids and stuff, like carrying all that bullshit. So yeah, that's definitely it. And for the elderly as well, make sure that you have good cardio and you can climb and do all this stuff, because it ain't easy being cheesy. Anyways, yeah, so, but you're gonna have fun, you're gonna be in nature, and honestly, it's like a therapy for me being here. There's a lot of bullshit going on, but this, I don't know if it's because of the exercising or whatever, and nature, of course. Like, you get to have time for yourself. So it's a great place to be at. Gozalandia, you should check it out, because I mean, if you are in Puerto Rico and you're not in San Juan, I think this is a place to check out. It's inexpensive, and you're gonna get to experience what real Puerto Rico is like. You know, like it's not everything is. I mean, the beach is beautiful, bars are nice, people are nice, but you know, being in nature is, can't put a price on it. You know, it's beautiful. So come check it out. You know, sometimes we got to take a little chance and do other stuff in our lives. Not everything is money and being in the office and doing all this bullshit, you know. I'm at the rat race, you know. So come down, enjoy this place, enjoy being with yourself, you know.